Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature a variety of haircut styles and hair ideas that you can play around with this fall and winter season. So here we have someone doing a bit of a big chop. And the stylist cuts the hair into a beautiful pixie. This one features a longer shape. She does have the very nice bottleneck bangs going there in the front to frame out this pixie. This is such a chic and cute style idea. Very nice. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have a color change. So she goes from this bold, bright pink color to a more classic black style. I love the overall shape of this pixie. Her makeup and everything looks absolutely beautiful. And then we move into a bob haircut transformation. So she does a nice blunt bob cut for this hair change. Beautiful classic style. And she does have the center part down the middle. Next up, we have someone who decided to switch things up with some hair extensions. She does something a little bold here with the ombre platinum look. I thought that this was really cool. It kind of gives you like a chunky, highlighted feel. And then ombre has definitely made a huge comeback this season, so this color is really cool. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. Looks like he's going to be doing layers here. Beautiful, and I love the elaborate technique that they use at the salon for cutting the hair. She has this gorgeous volumized layered look with the curtain bangs. Beautifully done. And then we have someone with some beautiful ginger colored hair. Looks like she's going to go shorter with more of a bob style. Ooh, very nice, chic little mini bob. And then she does have some bangs to frame out the bob. This is very cute. I love it. Her reddish brown hair looks amazing. And then we move into our last hairstyle, which features an all black pixie, and she's simply just going to be styling this. So she takes a flat iron to just kind of add a little bit of a flipped curl. And this really creates a nice amount of texture throughout. If you do have a pixie, this would be a great way to kind of add some volume to your hair. The little flipped under technique that she's using to do the curls. Very cute. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.